Hey there watercolor lovers, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to share my 7-day watercolor fruit series with you. Whether you are a total beginner or just looking for a juicy new project, you are in the right place. In this series, we will paint new fruit in each video, simple, colorful and relaxing. We'll be painting a delicious lineup: oranges, apples, kiwis, watermelons, bananas, avocado and pear. New videos will be released twice a week, giving you plenty of time to enjoy the process and grow your skills at your own pace. I will guide you step by step through each painting, sharing easy techniques, tips and tricks to help you build confidence and have fun with watercolor. So grab your paints, your favorite brushes and get ready to bring some fruity freshness to your art table. Here at By the Lakeside Studio, we keep things simple, soothing and creative. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single tutorial. See you soon and let's paint together.